Hello everyone. In this lecture, you are going to learn margin, how to use margin and how to write CSS styles by applying our HTML elements by writing the properties of CSS. We'll see here in individual side. Similarly, how we have seen like a padding, like the margins also the same, top, right, bottom, left. This way we can apply. So very simply we'll try to see a simple like example of this div element only. So this div element, instead of writing the padding, what I am trying to doing here is margin top, a property which is called margin top. I am applying like similarly like 100 px, whatever the value you can apply here. Margin left and some around 50 px, and margin right some around 30 px, and margin bottom like we may choose like around 80 px. So save it, and we are applying for this div element only, no, so we need not to change any other. So the border is same and the background color is also same. So save the document. Let's see how it happens. Refresh. See, the margins is setting. Instead of padding, we are applied for the margins. The outside the box, it is controlling the space. Padding will explain you to inside the box. Around the text it is happening. The margin will tell you like outside the box how it is controlling the environment. So simple and easy lecture. Try to practice wherever you require to apply the margins. More and more you wish to control the boxes. Thank you. We'll catch you in the next lecture.